Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Premier Agent app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Premier Agent, developed by Zillow, is a lead management and communication tool for real estate professionals. It helps agents connect with potential buyers and sellers, manage leads in one place, and respond quickly using built-in messaging and calling features. The app integrates with Zillow and Trulia listings, offering real-time lead notifications, task reminders, and performance tracking to help agents stay organized and efficient. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its instant lead alerts, easy-to-use interface, and ability to keep all client communications in one place. Agents appreciate the lead sorting and filtering tools, as well as the call scripts and follow-up reminders that help maintain consistent outreach. Many also find the integration with Zillow's platform valuable for keeping leads warm and engaged. Still, there are some drawbacks. The quality of leads can vary, with some users reporting a high number of non-serious inquiries. While the app itself is free, maximizing its potential often requires paying for Zillow advertising, which can be expensive. There are also occasional complaints about delayed notifications and syncing issues between devices. In summary, the Premier Agent app may be worth using if you're an active real estate agent seeking an organized way to manage leads and communicate with clients on the go. It offers strong integration with Zillow and useful follow-up tools, but the cost of lead generation and inconsistent lead quality could limit its overall value. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.